Hey everyone. So, the future of Pakistan presentation that I'm going to give is on the Taliban. Alright, so when did the Taliban start? Well, the Taliban was formed in the early 1990s. They started out in Afghanistan and eventually they moved their way over to Pakistan. Now, you guys are probably wondering, why did they move over to Pakistan? Well, the Taliban really knew how to please the people of Afghanistan. They promised them stability and rule of law. And after 9/11 occurred, the Taliban started forming in Pakistan, but they weren't known as the Taliban. They didn't copy their name from Afghanistan. They were their own individual group, but they're the same thing. It started out as small militant groups working together and collaborating with Al Qaeda. They used the same approach to please the people of Pakistan while they're also participating in military attacks. So how did they become so powerful? Well, they first had to get the respect from the people of Pakistan. And after that, they can control their lives. The people wanted to follow them if they had respect for the Taliban and their leadership. So they would control both men and women. They told men that they were good Muslims if they joined the Taliban. So a lot of young men, instead of going to school, they would join the Taliban. They would tell girls to not go to school. They thought only men should have an education. So obviously, as we learn from the book of Malala, that they would blow up the schools if they heard that women or girls were going to school. Women could also not laugh or wear white shoes. Men, they had to grow beards, and women had to wear burqas, and the people had to stop listening to music, watching TV, and dancing. Music and dancing is a huge part of their culture, so that was something that was really disappointing to them. And they would also listen inside people's houses to make sure they weren't watching TV. And if they found out that they were watching TV, they would throw their stuff out, their TV. So did the Pakistan control the Taliban? Did they contain them? Are they still there? Well, we do know for a fact that the Taliban is not in control as much as they used to. There is always going to be worry about the Taliban in Pakistan. They will never fully be controlled and contained until the government takes full responsibility. The Taliban is still there. The Pakistani government wants them to be there to control their neighbor Afghanistan. So the government enjoys having the Taliban for that specific reason. So what should we expect from the Taliban in the future? Well, we know the citizens are always going to be concerned with the Taliban. It seems that they have enough control that the government is not working to get rid of the group. Hopefully better leadership will be voted in and extremism will change, but as for right now, we won't see much improvement. Here is all of my resources and my research. Thank you.